This is the OWrap. I am Sharita Grizzle. Here are the stories making today's headlines. Cult pastor Kevin Smith died from blunt force trauma, autopsy reveals. Late cult pastor Kevin Smith and police constable Orlando Irons both died of multiple blunt force injuries, autopsies have revealed. The autopsies on the bodies were conducted Monday at Archer's Funeral Home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Children returned to face-to-face classes. Students were massed and out in numbers as face-to-face learning resumed for 376 of the island's 759 primary schools on Monday morning. Black man wasn't concerned after arrest, witness says. One of the prosecution's main witnesses on Monday asserted during the trial of Andre Blackman Brown and 32 other alleged gangsters that the accused leader of the St. Catherine-based Klansman gang was confident that the police would not be able to build a case against him even though he had been arrested. Roads flooded due to heavy rainfall in St. James. The National Works Agency, NWA, says it has mobilized work teams to clear several roadways across St. James after heavy rainfall on Monday impacted roads in sections of the parish. This has been the OWrap. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Sharita Grizzle.